And here's another one of my favorite movements. It's called a basic broad jump. Okay, so a broad jump is similar to a vertical jump, but instead of jumping up and landing, you're going to take your momentum forward and land over here. Okay, as usual, whenever you land on the ground, you never want to lead with your heels. Alright, we're going to jump, staying on the balls of your feet. We're going to land on the balls of your feet. Okay, so always be soft, feel the spring that you can see right here, and do the movement like that. So we start by first doing it in a very small movement. Okay, so I'm standing. I'm just going to swing my hands again behind, front, land. Alright, so if you notice, I landed here, not like that. Okay, so as we get used to the movement, we can take this small jump and add some intensity to it by jumping a little bigger, walk back, jump a little bigger, jump back, bigger, jog back, bigger, jog back. So from the side angle, I'm basically standing here. I'm going to lower myself into the jump. Okay, we'll start small as usual. Here, walk back, and slowly add the intensity into the movement. And there you have it.